If I come across and look at that in the NQ, and for our charts, I've got this one here, 2, 1, 2, and I've got us in this 3 here. And again, 1, 2, 3, I think this is the micro degree 4 with the 5 up still to come to finish this 3 of 3 of 3, so to speak. Here's the support zone for it. These charts are all in the forum this morning. 75.71, it could stop at 76.10 here. And I think if the ES is going to hold that upper support at 28.84, 85 area, then that's what I want to see the NQ do, is bounce off the 76.10 or even 76.34 where we are now, and then just head higher after that. And again, same thing on the day trading. I've moved the line from where it originally was, but if we take this lower line out now, then I'd expect it to go down to one of the fibs in the hourly chart, and then look for a potential long trade after that if you want to trade the NQ today. YM, a slightly different pattern in that we've got the 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. I was looking for a slightly deeper retrace. We've seen that. We've tagged underneath the 50% retrace, but I think this is a C wave. We're in a small 4. We want to just drop down one step further now to the 618.